I'm here today with the owner of Dove Mortgage, Sharron Hays. She's a local mortgage lender who specializes in VA loans. Thank you for being here today and answering some questions for us.
Well, thank you for inviting me.
No problem.
My pleasure.
So I know you've been in business a long time. How long have you been in business, and how did you get started?
I've been in business since 1991, and I got started. I was working as a paralegal at the time, a real estate paralegal, and a real estate agent asked me why didn't I sit there and go on the mortgage side of business too, since I understood it. She had customers that wanted the lower priced homes or needed the lower priced homes, and other lenders told them they couldn't do them, and so I became a mortgage officer so that I could sit there and help those people obtain their dreams of owning a home as well.
Wow, so it wasn't something you dreamed of as a little girl?
No, it definitely was not.
Wow, it's crazy how things happen. So I know you live in the Fort Stewart area. How long have you lived here?
I have lived here since 1989.
1989, that's a long time. So I know you specialize in VA loans, but what other type of loans can you do?
I do VA, USDA, conventional, and FHA.
Wow, so you got a variety. All of the news we've been hearing about interest rates being really high. How are the interest rates today?
They've been around 6.125 to 6.25, subject to the type of loan and the amount of down payment and the other variables in there, but all of them been right in that range.
Gotcha. So it's not as bad as the news has been
No,
saying.
it is not as bad as the news has made it sound.
And I know in history we've seen them way higher.
Yes, it has. Yes, it has. When I purchased my home, my interest rate was 9.5.
Wow. So if someone's self-employed like myself, how could they apply for a financing for a home?
You apply just like anyone else, review the credit, review income. It's just that for your income, we have to have the last 2 years complete tax return. So you have to have been self-employed for 2 years, and we take an average of that 2-year profit from your income.
Gotcha. So when someone's applying, what's the minimum credit score that they would need?
580 is the minimum. I do recommend that if you can, look at your credit and tweak it to try to hit 620, because you do have better rate options at 620 than you do at 580.
Gotcha. Any suggestions for how somebody would check their credit score?
They can do Credit Karma. I mean, that credit score is not the same as when we pull for mortgage, but it gives us an idea, because typically it's going to be a little lower when we pull it, so you want to keep that variable in mind.
Gotcha. And so why should a buyer contact a local mortgage lender versus like maybe a larger corporate one?
Well, the odds are your payments are going to end up at those larger ones anyway, but for the part when you're originating your loan, you need somebody local to be able to answer your questions, to meet with if needed, I mean, to guide you through it. Plus, we know what the local market is. We know what the local property taxes are. We're not going to be using generic insurance rates or property tax rates that could mess up your payment totally.
Right, and I will say that's very important when buying a home, is having someone that you contact every time, being the same person, and someone that knows the local market, the taxes, stuff like that, etc. It makes it go so much smoother.
It is. I have heard people call me after working with some of the other corporations saying it was nice just to be able to talk to the same person each time and not talk to 20 different people that don't have a clue what you're asking.
I can tell you from experience that is an important part of the transaction. So what's the best advice you could give someone thinking, or maybe in the early stages of getting financing?
That's when I would say go ahead and review your credit report, make sure that everything's as good as it can be, maybe get advice to tweak it up a little bit. Part of what I call the tweaking is credit card balance. The lower your credit card balance is as opposed to your limit, the better your score is going to be. And that's usually an easy fix for boosting your credit up.
Good to know, good to know. So how could someone contact you if they want to get more questions, or if they want to start financing with you?
They can call me on my cell phone or text me at any time at 912-270-3178. If I don't answer, please leave a message. I will return as soon as possible. It just means I may be on the phone with someone else at the time.
I will tell you that Sharron will answer a phone. There's not many times that she does not answer a phone. And if you do leave a message, she will immediately call you right back. So I appreciate that as a real estate agent.
Oh, not a problem. It's my pleasure.
No problem. So thanks for tuning in. And Sharron, thank you for being here. I know it's hot out here, but I appreciate you answering some questions for us.
Thank you.
And stay tuned. We're going to be doing another one of these about VA loans. So if you like this video, like it, and comment below any questions you may have. I'll make sure Sharron gets them and gets them answered for you. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.